Before the world cracked open, Anvil was humanity's last safeguard. A weapon forged to stop the apocalypse. He wasn't born, he was built. A soldier powered by a molten core encased in armor that never breaks. They called him the Iron Revenant, the hunter that never sleeps. His purpose was simple: protect the world from its end. But the apocalypse came and went, and his programming never told him what comes after. Now he walks the ruins, haunted by a mission with no enemy left. He was built to stop the end of the world. And now he doesn't know who to fight for.
System, my life!